everyone, 大家好. I am Miss Violet and today we're going to count from number 1 to number 10 in Mandarin Chinese, fast and easy. How exciting! Are you ready? Let's get it started.
Yay!
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That was very fast and easy, right? Should we do it again? I think so too. Let's do it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You did a great job! Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel. There will be more fun and educational Mandarin Chinese video coming to your way. We'll see you next time. 再见. 再见. Bye.